Hello and welcome back to the Auto Charge India. Myself Vishrut, and the vehicle which you can see beside me is the MG Comet EV. Well, this has been our long-termer in the Auto Charge India fleet, and we've been driving it since last 1 month, and we have already clocked around more than 4,500 kilometers in it. And last 30 days, well, as you can see, there's extensively we have used the Comet as our long-termer, and we have been absolutely loving it. But what we actually liked it, let's talk about it by getting inside the vehicle, and I'll tell you everything how our experience with the MG Comet was. तो चलो अंदर चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि कैसी एक्सपीरियंस थी हमारी MG Comet के साथ. Okay, so before getting inside the car, let me just quickly take you through the Comet first. And as you can see, this is full with running DRL. Below that, there is a charging port which supports 3.3 kilowatt hour slow charging only. There is no option for DC fast charging. So you better don't plan for intercity driving. Otherwise, for the city, it's good. On the side, as you can see, it has got wide doors and there are request sensor on both the side. Well, on the inside, as you can see, there is a different shade of grey color and along with some white color has been used, and that overall makes the cabin look airy. Well, these are the fabric for the seats, and there are no seat covers in this edition especially. And as you can see behind now, if you want to liberate more space in the hood, you can just fold the seats down like this. But to get this up again, it's quite cumbersome, but difficult हो जाता है sometimes really. So as you can see, this has got dirty. And okay, so now it's time to get going. Now putting the car into the drive mode, and it's quite easy. नॉब दिया हुआ है. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं कॉमेट. ओके, फर्स्ट में एडजस्ट दी एसी तो थोड़ा ठीक रहेगा. वेल यहाँ पे है ना NH 48 पे रोड का काम कर रहे हैं, एंड really headache while traveling from Mumbai and getting outside. तो next discuss stretch का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो चुका है once we exit to Mumbai. Well, देखो डाइवर्जन दिया है, आगे ट्रैफिक यहाँ जा रही है and heavy vehicles are diverted on the other side. Well, चलो अभी ड्राइविंग को फोकस करते हैं कॉमेट का. तो चलाने वाइज आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर कि फन टू ड्राइव डेफिनेटली है, बट नॉट इन अ वे कि आप एंथुसियास्टिक ड्राइविंग. बट फन टू ड्राइव इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि सिटी में एक्चुअली बहुत मज़ा आता है, बट फिलहाल तो मैं हाईवे पे चला रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा ड्राइविंग में फ़र्क पड़ेगा. आई वोंट बी एबल टू स्ट्रेच दिस व्हीकल दैट लॉन्ग बिकॉज अदरवाइज बॉडी रोल की तो गॉड, बिकॉज इसका बहुत नैरो है ना, तो दैट्स द रीज़न. ओके, तो एज यू कैन सी, it is powered by the 17.3 kWh battery pack, which produces 42 bhp and 110 newton meters of torque. और ये by no means driving experience के लिए अच्छी है. And these are the modes to change the drive mode. Well, now I am putting it in because मुझे बहुत जल्दी जाना है and I want to reach Mumbai. तो थोड़ा बैटरी पे गॉड, ये क्रेटा वाले सीरियसली यार. चलो दूसरी कोरियन कोई बाकी है, रहने दिया. ओके, लिटरली लेफ्ट सम स्पेस ओवर देयर. ये तो भाई दो गाड़ी निकाल दिया इन लोग ने. चलो तो ड्राइविंग पे फोकस करते हैं. एंड एज आई वाज सेइंग कि इट इज अ फन, दे डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, इट्स वेरी easy to drive and it's quite likable when it comes and that is because of its small footprint. Let me just tell you about the one thing. प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि इतना अच्छा जो विंडो स्पेस है ना, एयर डेफिनेटली है, बट इट प्लेज अगेंस्ट अस व्हेन साइंस राइट अप है. तो एसी को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है केबिन को कूल रखने के लिए, एंड दैट्स वेरी अनोइंग समटाइम्स बिकॉज इतना हीट गर्म हो जाती है गाड़ी अंदर से. सो समटाइम्स एसी वोंट वर्क. एंड लेट्स से इफ यू केप्ट द व्हीकल फॉर आवर्स इन द सनलाइट, तो भाई सेकेंड रो में जो बैठेंगे ना, तो डेफिनेटली गोना क्रीप यू बिकॉज एसी को बहुत वर्क करना पाए. एंड दैट टाइम एसी इज अनइफेक्टिव. वेल सम अदर पार्ट एसी अच्छी ओकेश काम कर लेती है. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. नाउ ड्राइविंग इज लाइक, मुझे सब पता है कि ये 42 bhp है एंड 110 न्यूटन मीटर प्रोड्यूस करती है. तो इट्स क्वाइट इजी टू ड्राइव. 12 इंचज़ के टायर्स है तो थोड़ा अंडुलेशन अच्छे खासे फिल्टर आउट नहीं हो पाते. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न इट इज़ गुड टू ड्राइव द कॉमेट. एकदम आराम से चलाओगे तो ही बेटर रहेगा. तो रही बात इसकी, and this it gets to 10.25 इंच की स्क्रीन. वन इज टच ऑफ कोर्स एंड अदर इज MID. एंड यहाँ पे जो बटन है ना, वो एज ए इग्निशन वर्क कर सकता है. सो दैट्स अ पार्टी ट्रिक व्हाट MG हैज गिवन ओवर हियर. वेल, दिस स्विच एज आई टोल्ड यू आर quite nice, and these are the most often used switches. So right, physical button दिए गए तो no छेड़खानी has been done over there. Well, that's actually a nice. I don't know if that's the right way of setting, but okay, वो तो ठीक है. तो बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so we are back in our studio. अभी तक जो आपने आगे पार्ट वीडियो में देखा वो था लाइक कॉमेट के वॉक अराउंड एंड राइड एंड हैंडलिंग कैसी है. एंड I thought of giving you a conclusion by sitting in the Comet, because I had the Comet since last 60 days. Well, not 60 days together, because Comet मेरे पास MG वालों ने 2 बार सेंड की थी. फर्स्ट जब उन लोगों ने सेंड की थी वो गेमर एडिशन थी, वो कुछ रीजन से वापस चली गई थी. दे वांटेड टू गेट द कार बैक, सो इट वाज रिटर्न. एंड दूसरी बार जब आई कॉमेट वो अच्छी खासी टाइम के लिए थी, एंड इट वाज मोर देन 2 months, ऑलमोस्ट 2 months था. तो थॉट ऑफ कि दोनों ये कॉम्बाइन है, सो दैट रीज़न मैं पहले वीडियो नहीं निकाला. एंड थॉट ऑफ कि चलो इसको दोनों एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आराम से आप लोग के साथ शेयर किया जाए. नाउ कमिंग टू दी फुटेजेस, एंड टू बी वेरी कैजुअल एंड बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई केप्ट द फुटेजेस ओपन हो गया, जहाँ पे यू कैन सी द कि ऑल द फुटेज विच आई शॉट इन लास्ट 60 days और समथिंग. तो दिस इज ऑल द फुटेजेस विच आर देयर. एंड यहाँ पे क्या 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 ओके सो मैंने फुटेज इस रीज़न से इधर रखे कि आई कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड शेयर यू द एक्सपीरियंस हाउ इट हैज़ बीन since over the last 2 months. Well, the first when I got the Comet, which was a gamer edition, it was to be honest, I was very anxious about the range, because getting it from Mumbai to Dahanu, it was like 150 kilometers, or range was showing it 180, 160, 170 I think, when it was handed it over to me. First challenge was charge क्या करना है, because I haven't been driven the Comet since the first drive which happened in Delhi a year ago. So I didn't have any idea about the how the range and how it's gonna last, or the like how the battery is gonna last, and what distance it's gonna travel. So was very anxious, to be very honest. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ ना कि I got juiced up over there, थोड़ा चार्ज किया around 85% तक, and then we left Mumbai. So finally we left Mumbai. तो दिस टाइम आई मेड श्योर दैट आई वॉज वेरी जेंटल विद एक्सीलेटर, बिकॉज क्या हुआ था ना, चार्ज करने से पहले आई वॉज वेरी हार्ड, बिकॉज शोरूम से दीप के ऑफिस तक आने के लिए दैट टाइम आई वॉज AC वॉज ऑन फुल ब्लास्ट. देन थोड़ा हार्ड भी रहा था, एक्सीलेशन पे एग्रेसिव था, तो दैट टाइम आई डिडंट रिटर्न मी अ गुड माइलेज. बट दिस टाइम आई मेड श्योर कि मैं आराम से चला होगा, और इट इज़ रिटर्निंग मी अराउंड गुड माइलेज राइट नाउ. सो MID शोइंग 150 kilometers, and we still need to cover almost 90 kilometers, so that's not an issue. So we have stopped at this our regular stop just after crossing Mumbai, and this is the MG Comet. यार थोड़े कभी कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता कि आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू, बट इट इज़ गिविंग मी फीलिंग लाइक द रोबोट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. इट्स लाइक अभी ट्रांसफॉर्मर होगा और क्लिक ऑफ बटन, जस्ट टर्न इनटू अ रोबोट, isn't it? And I was able to make it to the Dahanu with 37% of battery left in it. So that time was clear कि what the MID displays the range, it can actually go very close to it. Okay, there is a minor 10-20 का फर्क, 10-20 किलोमीटर का फर्क रहेगा, but that is okay, that can understandable. So this was it. And over the time what I started to believe now कि Comet is, I like to call it more of a lifestyle than a car, because for me the definition of car is quite different. Car is like you just can take the key out and go for drive without worrying, and then you will say कि plan तो EVs में भी करना पड़ता है, other EVs, but no, other EVs and Comet is actually different thing. So I have a very valid point for that, because Comet को क्यों मैंने lifestyle बोला और why it's not a car. Well, for me car का definition अलग है, like मैंने just बताया. See, for me car is like just take the key out and go for driving without any worrying कि to fuel up and go long distances. So something in which I can cover a long distance, so that thing is I can tag it as a car, but not the Comet. अब आप बोलोगे कि यार EVs में तो प्लान करना पड़ता है, बट स्टिल बिकॉज Comet में फास्ट चार्जिंग सपोर्ट नहीं करती. एंड ऑफ ऑल द 99 थिंग्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट द Comet, if there has to be one thing which I don't like, then it should be the lack of capability of DC fast charging. It doesn't support it, and that is because MG ने ये step इसलिए लिया कि to save the battery life, like save the battery health, and so the battery can बैटरी हेल्थ कैन बी लास्ट लॉन्गर, तो वो रीजन से इसमें नहीं, एंड इट हैज़ गॉट ओनली 17.3 किलोवाट आवर्स की बैटरी, वेयर इज द लॉन्ग रेंज वर्जन ऑफ द Tiago EV गेट्स 24 किलोवाट आवर. तो इट्स क्वाइट कमेंडेबल, significant upgrade to the battery capacity. So that's the reason. But the thing is, the range दोनों में सेम ही है. While that is to do because गाड़ी का weight भी ज़्यादा है, and Comet is a light car, light vehicle, while the Tiago is quite a heavy one, and it is of course an conversion of ICE to an EV. Well, that's topic of another day. I will be making another dedicated video on the Tiago EV. Now coming to the Comet back during the Dussehra times, and like they say, what a family, usually family says, ki take care of your vehicle and they will take care of you. So it goes with the vehicle as well. And we celebrated the Dussehra that time. I had to comment, so उसका भी same जो rituals वगैरह करते हैं with the mic Alto or S1 Pro, तो ये frame में आप देख सकते हो. तो this is how we celebrated that time. Then later part with the Comet, the experiences and the memories is such that sunset catch करना हो वो भी निकल रहे, जस्ट मतलब डेली एराउंड्स के लिए Comet was a very suitable car, बहुत easy car थी. Then going by the practical thing, the Comet actually proves to be very practical because they have engineered it in such a way that from the outside it might look as a small car, but from the inside there is lot of space. Engineers have managed to make it very spacious from the inside. Well, when you can just fold it to second row of seats, you get lot amount of room, boot space to carry lot of this. And as you can see on the screen, at one such instance we also we also loaded the whole drum set in it, and we were good to go. Shopping ke time we use it as our when go for grocery shopping and all this stuff. Small trip करनी है, small short distances पे आना है. With the Comet, it was quite easy. Well, from it might be sounding like कि मुझे MG ने पे किया. Well, that's not the case. But इसके बहुत सारे plus point भी है and negative में भी थोड़ी बात है, like riding और handling. But I don't have a complaint as such because वो MG ने target किया ही नहीं वो audience को. With the 12 inches tires, they are steel tires of course, and because of the less width, it's not meant to be very hardcore driving and riding. You need to be very serious with your driving style. You need to be very gentle with it. If you go, it's not like it doesn't go to top speed. It can actually go to the you can actually achieve around 105 to 106 kilometer key speed in the sports mode of course. But even the smaller minor input to the steering wheel, and isn't, trust me on this, it isn't confidence inspiring because narrow है गाड़ी की width बहुत कम है, as I said. And fast U-turn is a big no with the Comet because if you have the guts, you can just go for it. But I won't seriously won't recommend you doing such things. It's not safe. And interesting part is when the car was with us now, there is one very interesting car which came to us for the review was Lexus UX 300e. Well, what's the interesting thing about this is that this car is actually worth 1 crore. Well, not actually worth of it because of the Indian tax and all. It costed around 1 lakh on 1 crore on papers. And you say no, it's not just about pricing. महंगी नहीं है. The thing is, they are Lexus has got this car for the evaluation purpose, and they are still seeing if there is a EV space, EV market for it or not. For that reason, they got the UX in the Indian market for the media rounds and testing purpose. So they are still evaluating. So and it was a good thing, because the two car garage what I made with the Comet and the UX, because one is totally for my urban runabout and another was long journey. So these two EVs parked in side by side gives a complete two EV garage. Perfect for me, it seems, because the car was real. The UX is actually a crossover, so that's the reason I find it very useful. But if there is one car which I have to select for my two EV car garage, then it won't be the UX of course, because उसका चार्जिंग का जो पोर्ट है it's quite different. It's not Indian standard के हिसाब से. Then there are a lot of things. We just go out in EV. And so now coming to the conclusion part. But before going to the conclusion part, there is one more incident is that which I encountered in Daman, where there was a Reva E2O. Well, and that time I realized which made us realize that it isn't the MG which got this two-door EV micro car, but it was Mahindra who got it years back, almost 23 years ago. They got the subdivision which is the Reva. Under that nameplate, they got this small car. It's as you can see on the screen, it's blue in shade. The design is very funky, just as the Comet. यहाँ पे भी funky design है. So this was what this years 20 years ago. Well, so it's quite interesting thing to know the fact that our own Indian manufacturer were into this game, but lack of investment, lack of focus in this EV space, it was way ahead of its time, to be honest. तो ये था Areva के बारे में. Then one more thing what I usually encounter with the people when driving the Comet on the roads is that choti nano. And as you can see on the screen, I have also got this I have also parked the Comet besides the Nano, because people usually see the Comet as an electrified Nano. Like, oh, the reaction is like, yeah, ये electric Nano है क्या? Such comments what I and our team usually encounter during our stint on the roads. So basically, Tata ने भी Nano से try किया था कुछ सालों पहले. They wanted to got a very affordable car. So it was very small print, but it has got 4-door plus 1 tailgate including. तो ये थी चीज़ें थी Comet के बारे में. So there are a lot of things around going around. तो now coming to the verdict, you'll ask which one to buy. Well, can the Comet be your only car in the garage? A big no, because it's like your phone. If it's on charge, it's of no use. Exactly the Comet is. If you are let's say for 2-3 days you are not getting electrical supply and all, so you'll be find yourself stranded. So you won't be able to use a car. But whereas coming to the another car in the segment, which is Tiago EV, although there is EC3, but I'm not considering here because वो better off कि वो fleet as a fleet operators के पास ही जाए. उसका quality is like that. And Tiago में is car like feeling. It is conversion of the ICE version. 5-seater है, interior भी अच्छे है, and supposedly fast charging. So that's for that reason I can say the Prime. Can the Tiago be the only car? Yes, it can, but not the Comet. Comet is better off as a second car in your garage. Well, now coming to the verdict, should you get one? If you are in the market, you have got plenty of amount of money, plenty of money to spend on something which should be your requirements, like less requirement. You want some new modern technology, then definitely you should go for it, because the interiors are nice. You got this big 2 screen, so you would be find yourself getting bored inside the cabin. Well, on the Tiago, it's better off as a usable thing. So वैसा है. So this is how the Comet is. Now let's give me some more experience. Now let's hit the elephant in the room. Now coming to the conclusion, whether you should buy the MG Comet or not. Well, there are two answers. There is not a one sure answer, but I'll make it very simple for you. So basically, if you're looking to the Comet as a sensible buying option, well, it's not a sensible product at all, because the price at which it's priced at and the practicality what it offers, so it's not a sensible option. But if given that you want to be early adopters of the EV and you want to get into the EV ecosystem particularly, then you should try on. And given that you have already got another primary car for your daily driving, for long tour distancing and that all, it can be a second car, third car, of course, yes. Then you can go for the Comet EV. But for the primary car, it's a no, big no, because if you want to go into the EV, because there are 3 cars in this very segment, which is I already told about. एक तो Tata Tiago EV है, which is very sensible product. उसका हम dedicated video should be out very soon on our channel. And EC3, because given that इसकी proportion है, overall proportion, isn't that tempting and value for money is what I feel like, because वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ cost cutting and all हुआ गया, तो quality का थोड़ा compromise किया Citroen ने. तो keep that Citroen aside, बची Tiago EV and there is Comet. Out of these two, you choose what your requirements is. For me, Tiago can be my only car if there is not much requirement, and given that it supports the fast charging, so yes, I can rely on the Tiago EV. But frankly speaking, I can't rely solely on the Comet EV. So I hope this has made you very much clear. Given the experience, थोड़ा मजा आया मुझे ये वीडियो में शेयर करने के लिए आगे. तो I hope you like this content and this video, particularly this type of video. Let us know in the comment section below what do you think of such content and the Comet EV particularly, and also let me know what makes you not to choose the Comet and what makes you choose the EV, Comet EV over the others. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.